Hey guys, Kane and Nate back at another video. Today I'm going to unbox Birds of Prey, Harley Quinn and Beaver. I got this from GameStop for the price is right here. So the characters you can get is Harley Quinn in the black mask glove, Harley Quinn cautious tape, Romeo Sinus, Huntress, Black Canary, and the Booty Trap battle, Harley Quinn and Beaver, and Harley Quinn in the Pine and the roller derby. Okay, let's go. So yes, I got Harley Quinn and little Beaver right there. It comes with a stand. So here we go. Damn. Freddie Funko did a really good job on this. And yes, I did watch the movie. It was wonderful. And whoever's gonna watch it today, or I don't know, when you have a chance, that was a really good movie. No spoilers here. So here's Beaver. In his little tutu. It's adorable. So let me give you another spin. Okay. And also it comes with like a little background in the pop, so I thought that was cool. Okay. That's it for today. Goodbye.